Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm not even gonna get into all those things of I said I would be consistent, I said I'd be back, because I think at this point, we can all agree that I haven't been consistent, and it's gonna be hard for me to become consistent. So we're just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna take, what we can get, and this is what we're gonna get. So anyways, moving on. Yes, so I have new hair since the last time you've seen me. Last time I did a hair video last time, and here I am again with another hair video. We're on a roll, as you can see. So this hair is gonna be different. It's gonna be more of a tutorial. I don't think I've done like an actual hair tutorial. It was just me dyeing my hair and me having a lace frontal for the first time. But this time, I feel like I actually know what I'm doing. So basically, I have to wash my hair, so if it doesn't look that good, like, we know why. But this is not all my hair. This is like, we have some weave in here, honey. So obviously this isn't the top tier of like what it can look like, because I literally just slept on it, didn't put anything else in it this morning, and I need to wash my hair because there's a lot of gel in it at this point. When you have too much gel, there's too much product, and it's just not that cute anymore. That's what's happening here. So I'm going to wash my hair, and I'm going to show you how I style my hair. And I thought it'd be ideal if I showed you from like the very beginning of the process, which is fresh, clean hair, and how I do it. I'm going to be washing my hair for the second time since I've gotten it. So I'm going to show you how to blend this. I'm going to show you to blend it really well, and I'm also going to have all the information linked down below for this hair. This is not sponsored at all. I just actually really like this hair, and I'm gonna probably do this hair for a while, because it's really easy to do and blend and all of that, and it's really good quality hair. It's also pretty hard to find, not pretty hard, but it's harder to find compared to straight hair. Good quality curly hair that doesn't get tangled or just doesn't get worn down over time. So this is good quality hair. It doesn't really get tangled, it doesn't really shed, none of that. It's good. So I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to show you how I style and blend this hair, and you guys are just going to sit back and watch and just like have a good time. It's just going to be a very chill video, because I like doing chill videos because they're easy to edit and cute and fun, and I just like chill things. So if you're on this channel and you like chill things, here you go. So I will be giving you a tutorial on how to blend this hair. This hair is from Klaiyi. I will leave it in the description. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Klaiyi, and I'll just have all the information for you if you want this hair now or probably after I do the tutorial, because it's gonna be better. Okay, I'll see you there. So for this clip, I had just gotten out the shower, just washed my hair, and as you can see, my hair is soaking wet, but my leave out isn't. So what I did was I kind of stretched my hair with the blow dryer, just because it helps and it kind of eliminates some of the shrinkage going on. But yeah, so I just kind of stretched it with the blow dryer, and that's what I do every time. I put the blow dryer on like medium or low. It doesn't need to be high. It just needs to stretch your hair to prevent the shrinkage. So what you're going to need to blend your hair with this weave is gel, an eco styler gel, any gel that that works with your hair. Go ahead and get that. I like to use the clear eco styler gel. It just works best with my hair. You could try it, but everybody else's hair is different, so whichever one works for you is just fine. I also like to use edge control, just because when you're slicking your hair and you just want it to lay and stay in place and sweat doesn't get it, edge control is really good for that. And then an oil just to have sheen and luster and just make it look cute. So when I do blend the hair, I like to use the brush that I had just shown just to kind of get it all blended together, but I also like to hold my hair and the weave and kind of run it through as if it was all my hair, just so it blends naturally and then can blend with gel, edge control, oil, the brush, all of it. And this is just a quick close-up of the hair. Obviously, if you were to set it with like a head tie, head scarf, whatever, it would look even better, but this is just it as soon as you kind of blend it. That is it for this video for today. I know it was pretty short and just to the point, but it is really simple and to the point to blend this hair with my hair. If you want to get this hair for yourself, I will leave all the information down below as usual for you guys. I know it's really hard to find like good quality curly hair that's not going to get all tangled and mangled and crazy, and you just want it to blend with your hair, especially if you're doing a leave out. A leave out obviously makes it look the most natural as it could be, but if you don't want to leave out, I believe there are closures for this hair. But I will leave all the description. I will leave it all in the description for you guys. So I will see you in my next video, whenever that next video is. You know how it goes at this point. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I can show you guys again the hair and my hair and how it blended if you just wanted another close up. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.